Alright, so retro and not so retro Nintendo consoles from Japan. And this thing cost me $1,500. This parcel right here. And to be honest, I can't remember what's inside. But I know that there's some limited editions in here. And some things I'm not really sure about. Might have actually gotten scammed on some things. So we'll see. Let's see here. Let's get this thing open. Okay, there we go. So starting off with what I think I got scammed on, but I'm not sure yet. Nintendo Switch dock. Looks fine. Looks fine. Don't think I got scammed on that. Uh-oh. Oh, maybe. There's hope. A Nintendo Switch Pro controller. Fake one, of course. Okay. Oh, it stinks smoke. Oof, that's disgusting. Does this dock do? Yeah. Oh my god. It smells like a stinky workplace in the 1990s. Okay, I need to stop smelling these. Wow. That's disgusting. I don't even think I can sell that. That is actually disgusting. And the console. No way I actually didn't got scammed on this. I think I paid a little under $100 for these. There's no way. It works. What the hell? Damn. The Nintendo Switch 2 is so small. Is this original one? Why is it so small? Whoa, is this just me? Like, look at this in my hands. It just is so small. Damn, maybe it's just me. I just haven't seen a Nintendo Switch in long. Wow, it's so small. What's the light like then? Wow. Yeah, I mean, these are not retro consoles. I just ordered them. And just because I saw them really cheap. And I was like, huh. Probably a scam, but it doesn't seem like it is. And what's in here? What the hell is this? A charger for a 3DS. That's weird. Ooh, okay. Start with this right here. This one is interesting. I'll have to check that Switch out more, I guess, because it's really sus to me that I didn't get scammed on it. Didn't get scammed on it, I mean. And boom, we have a limited edition. Straight out. Oh, it's a button. What? That's so cool. Yeah. New 2DS XL Pokemon version with a button. Wow. I did not know it was a button. But now that I look at it, yeah, it makes sense. That's so cool. Damn, I actually love this thing now. Might even keep it for myself. Might not even sell it. Yeah. No SD card. Too bad. Yeah, I mean, looks good. Nice. Nice catch. Let's see next here. Ooh, there's actually... Ooh. Quite a lot. And actually one console I scammed myself on, I guess. Because I thought it was something else, but I'm stupid. And that's why I should play the games, I guess, before buying things like this. Let's get this open right here. Okay. So this is a new 3DS XL. Red. Looks pretty good. Does it work? Nope. Dead. Too bad. Next up. Something I actually scammed myself on. This 3DS XL. This thing, I thought was a Zelda limited edition. Because, I mean, look at it. Like, I thought this logo was a Zelda logo, but nope. It's Monster Hunter. Oh, and the stick has been replaced with ones that I usually replace them with. Is the screen glass too? Nope. But the stick has been replaced. So, yeah. That's fine. Looks good. But yeah, Monster Hunter, not Zelda, so yeah. But I was looking for a Zelda one. Ooh, there's more cool things in here, but you know what? Stick to the script. Don't go straight to the cool stuff. What is this? This might be more cool stuff. I don't even know what this is. Oh. Oh, yes it is. Is this metal? Like, I never figured out. Yeah, as you can tell, new 2DS XL. Screen protector too. Good to see. Damn. That looks interesting. So this is Monster Hunter 2, I guess. Interesting. Buttons feel nice. What's the back like? Ooh, like this texture. Cool. Interesting. So, next one. Let's try to get some less cool stuff. Okay, what's this? Oh, this is an in-box one. Yeah, so... Oh. Come on. This thing... Because I needed to stock up on black new 3DS XLs. And people actually complain that I throw out the box. They say, oh, why do you throw out the box? It's worth more with the box. And I thought it was opposite because it's a Japanese box. And who the hell wants a Japanese box, right? But, yeah, I was mistaken. Turns out, people want one with the box. So now, this is the first console that I'll start selling with the box. And I guess I'll see if people want to buy it more or something. And it's Christmas. It's right around the corner. So maybe the box might increase the value of this thing. We'll see. Maybe with a couple of dollars. I don't even know. Okay, let's get this thing unwrapped here. Some plastic foil. Come on. There we go. Yeah, I mean, if you're giving a gift without or with a box might be better, I guess. AR cards. No charger though, because the OG new 3DS XL didn't come with a charger. Boom, power's on. Screen protector here. Not on the top. Oof, that sucks. Oh, yes there is. There we go. Looks new now because there were some scratches. I'll take that off too. Yep, looks good. Looks good. Nice. Next up, something cool. Something cool. Let's see here. There we go. Ooh. What a beauty. So this is a Zelda limited edition. Power's on. With screen protectors on top and bottom. Thank God. Thank God. Yes. Because those are scratched up. No longer. Looks good. Sounds on. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful console. Wow. Next up. What do we have here? So. Let's get this open. There we go. There we go. There we go. New 3DS XL. Wow, this one is basically new. Wow, yeah. Like, I see a couple of scratches here. But, wow, looks so beautiful. And power's on, looks good. Wait, does 3D work? Yeah, it does. It just looked a little off, I guess. but it works. So, and this is the last thing, I guess. So let's see here. I think actually someone in the comments wanted to buy the chargers, the Japanese chargers for me, because I have no use for them. But yeah, I guess I'll contact that person and we'll see. Ooh, and this one I was a little worried about because it's scratched up everywhere. Oh my god, what happened to you? Yeah, but inside looks nice. Yeah, inside looks nice. But what I'll do is just change the covers on the outside, and this thing will look so nice. So yeah, wow, nice, but yeah, really scratched up, I guess. So now I gotta just test the Switch 2, no, the Switch further, Switch 2. I'll actually order a Switch 2 soon, but not yet, guys, not yet. And this is the 2020 version, so it's the updated version. Does it have sound? Maybe it's bricked or something. Yeah, I need to change these sticks out because they're sticky and not good, not good. But yeah, that's really gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.